Welcome to the Family Art Attack. 5 DIY Valentine's Day school gifts. Idea 1 is Origami Hearts. We're going to do origami crafts like these. Look it. First, draw a color circle and then cut it out. Hey guys, if you don't have any plain paper, reuse one of your school papers only if you go to school. And fold a circle of paper into a fan. First the flap goes like this, or whichever way you choose. Then you go like this and
It needs to be quite small, otherwise it will not. The folds that you make need to be thin. If they are thick, they won't look like a heart. They'll look different. So if you want it perfectly, make sure your folding is quite small. So just make start with a tiny fold. And the last step is to glue these and stick it. This will be good enough. Simran goes to toddler school and we thought this kind of gift would be a good idea. So we got this tattoo lollipops from the store. It comes with a card and a lollipop. So it will look just like this. One point to notice, don't mention individual friend's name. Always when you're making in bulk, just write to my friend. So whomever you give, it should be good enough. And write your name. So this is how this particular tattoo lollipops looks. And this origami fan that we just made, we are putting it back so whoever gets it can just play with it. Okay. Do you like your gift?
yeah.
Say Happy Valentine's Day, kids.
Happy Valentine's Day, kids. Hey kids, you can even decorate your teacher's gift bags. Idea 2, bookmarks. The idea, print out your favorite character from a movie or you like it and then make bookmarks.
Yeah, just like these. So, are you going to hot glue them? Just like this. Okay. Is this for your school?
Yeah, there's another bag for her school.
Idea 3, pencil flowers. Actually made of pencils. Pencils stick like these.
Yeah, like these.
So what we do is we are going to use this pencil and quickly prop up the pencil with the tissue flower right on top, securing it with some hot glue gun and pipe cleaners. To make these flowers, the flower pencils, you would need a pencil,
Yeah, I already
a pipe cleaner, and 4 of tissue paper sheets which are of dimension 10 inches by 5 inches.
Yeah.
So make a crease like this and then turn it around and fold it back on the same crease just like this.
Fold it back.
And go back and forth to make a flower.
Like this.
Sort of thing folded with the tissue sheet. After that, fold it into half to identify the center of the circle. Take your half or quarter of this tissue sheet and secure it in the center. Turn it around. So you have something like this, a butterfly. And in order to get a flower shape, the edges need to be trimmed.
My mother right there.
So we have both the edges cut. And now this is ready to shape into a flower. Make sure the pipe cleaner is down. Hold it like this. Open the flower up. And find one sheet at a time and pull it upwards. Just like this. Pull one sheet upwards. So this will be your first step. Once it's done, your pipe cleaner is still here, and you're going to use these two parts. The two parts right here, you're going to use it to twist it at the back of a pencil. In order to make sure that this doesn't fall off, for the other pencils that I've just created, I've used a little bit of hot glue at the tip of the pencil top and this pipe cleaners.
Yep.
The last part is the tag. So there are these printouts which I earlier talked of, which you can have it written down your kid's name here. And you can just stick this so that you can just hand out to your friends.
Yeah.
His friends, along with these other gifts that he's bought from the store.
Idea for melted crayon hearts.
You color my world. Happy Valentine's Day.
Idea 5 tattoo hearts.
Where we are putting tattoos and stickers for friends. This is again for Simran's friends. So these are the store-bought gifts that you can give to each of your friends. There are different kinds that you can find in the store. It comes with a label tag, so you don't have to do it. The other idea we have is with glow sticks.
Yes,
So they are the glow stick bracelets, which you can give to your friends with a card printout like this. And there are various templates that you can find like these, which you can just print out and customize links in the link of my description below, where you can just download it. So that was it. I hope you liked our video. If you do like, please don't forget to hit the like button, and please subscribe for more such fun crafts. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Yeah, well then we'll be doing it.
And happy Valentine's Day.
Yes. Thanks for watching Art Attack. Please subscribe.